What would happen if the bag of microwave popcorn was put in with that side down? It burns a big hole in the bag, fills your house with smoke. You're welcome. That's how Oppenheimer invented the atomic bomb. The microwave pops instead. Have you ever tried to divide by zero? It's something like that. You escape the simulation. Time folds in on itself and you become your own grandpa. Believe it or not, straight to prison. That's what happened to Venus. Nobody expects the Spanish Inquisition. A random man in China falls off his bike and dies. True story, I had a friend that did that and he time traveled. Really not much, the Scepter won't work as well. Also, if there's flavoring inside it, it won't distribute evenly. Fuck around and find out. The fuck is wrong with you? The universe would cease to exist. Somebody in China gets a bag of popcorn in their lap. Yes, FBI, this one here.